Morning guys, we're back at Alton Towers for day 2.
Yay, and the sun's back out.
Aye, the sun's back out. It's a bit chilly, as you can hear with me sniffling, but aye, the sun's out. We tried to get on Wickerman right there, it's bang on 10 o'clock, and unfortunately there's maintenance. I know, it's a bit stupid, isn't it?
I was so excited because I was like, there's nobody here, we'll get straight on.
I know, we were going to try and ride it twice actually, but obviously down for maintenance. They reckon it could be half an hour, they're not too sure. The one ride we never done yesterday was Galactica, so we're just heading through the forest and now to go to Galactica. We'll try and show you more of the Lakeside Walk and that. We've got a couple of wee sort of kiddie type rides on the water that we're going to go on to show you as well, and we're just going to have as much fun. We might not record as much on day 2 because we're going to just try and get in as much as we possibly can, aren't we?
Yeah, because we're back home tomorrow.
I know, boo! So guys, we're not long off of Galactica and Nemesis, and Galactica is the first time I've ever ridden it. Have you ridden it before? You ridden it? Aye. Amazing. Really good.
I loved it. It feels like you're flying.
Aye, it feels a bit like the one at SeaWorld.
Yeah, Manta.
Aye, Manta, because you're face down and then the platform drops and then, oh, it's so good. Your feet are strapped in and all that as well. Nemesis, right, so we went on Nemesis yesterday. Pardon me, we went on Nemesis yesterday. We rocks up, Natalie's just looking at the queue and then she just turns to me with a big smile like, we're on first. And yes, we ended up on first.
I don't think he realised, I was counting the people in the parties in front of us. I was like, we're front row.
Aye, we're front row.
And he's like, no. And then we get to it and I'm like, we're front row.
To be fair, I said this to Natalie, like going on it, I was scared.
He's having a mental breakdown.
Aye, because I don't really like front row anything. But see, after it, see, to be honest, front row was amazing. It's so much better than the other rows because you experience a totally different ride, don't you? Aye, it was really good. We just went on, we showed you we were going to go into that battle, what was that called? What's it called?
Battle Galleons.
Battle Galleons, which was the boat with all the water. Unfortunately, I didn't film much on it because there was people like soaking us. I didn't want to get the camera wet. We soaked people in the queue. Well, some of them didn't seem too happy. So I got a wee bit of footage with my iPhone. Families highly recommend going on that. If you're in,
if I was you, going to different boats.
Oh aye, 2 different boats would be brilliant.
Like, fight each other.
Soak each other, aye, it was good. So we're just about to go on these boats down here and get a wee shot. Natalie wasn't wanting to go on because she said it's for kiddies, but I persuaded her.
It's for kids. We all know how I feel about It's a Small World.
But this isn't it, It's a Small World.
Same vibes. Same vibes.
So probably the chances are we're going to get wet in this, guys. We're going to try and get these people. Oh, that one's the one. Ah! They just get soaked up a wee guy behind us. Look, there's wee bits here coming round as well. Ah, it's terrible. We'll take you around this wee woodland walk. So far the weather's been absolutely amazing. It's a wee bit chilly just because of the wind, but it's been good. Again, Wickerman is still down, which is, I know,
we went
rubbish.
Into the shop.
Oh, we went to the shop, which we'll put the footage in the now and show you some of the stuff. Absolutely amazing. We're just in the Wickerman gift shop and I wanted to show you it because I think it's absolutely amazing. The theming in here It's so cool. How amazing is this? You genuinely do feel as if you're in a cult. This big guy. The Wicker Man is definitely our favourite ride. Here's some of the merch. Wee Angry Bears. Now these are only for decorative use, apparently, even though they're cups. Natalie loves these. I think they look brilliant too. They're actually quite good for only £12. Some of their t-shirts are cool as well. I've actually got this no bad looking jacket, £70. This one here, this regatta jacket actually be better, it's £80. Some hats and t-shirts, cool hoodie. I was just saying the theme in here is brilliant, isn't it? I've not showed them yet. There he is there. How cool is he? And the ceiling and the whole thing, the whole place, the music and all that. I showed them that one the other eye. Like stuff like even the prints I think is quite good. So their prints are £20. And these are pretty cool, these snow globes. Honestly, this is the best shop, isn't it? That's how cool are their skulls as well. So there, that one there is £55. These here are £30. And I've got these wee wooden postcards for £3. There they are, wooden postcards, that is amazing. Seen this, Natalie? Wooden postcards for £3. That's brilliant, isn't it?
Do you know you can buy these lights?
What, these lights here? You can buy them? Right. Oh, aye. So these lights you can buy, as Natalie was just saying there. You see a price for any of them? £60 for these lights.
You too can summon demons.
I don't know if I want to summon any demons. We're just waiting on this ride, hopefully. Opening back up, it's closed now for maintenance. So we're just doing a wee look into the gift shop. Natalie wanted to maybe come and get one of these wood bottles that I showed you.
I really want one of these.
Aye, they're cool. Look at this, they've got like their own wee diary books. See how much they are now?
It doesn't tell you how much they are, but you've got these rides with the alphabet and it transports it into the rooms.
I like these prints, man, they're brilliant, aren't they? You can buy the prints here, so they are £50 with that wooden thing on it, and just the normal prints are 20. So it's that red leather journal, there you go. So guys, this is us now at the Lakeside Walk. How cool is this? It's like a big greenhouse style building, and you honestly don't feel as if you're in a theme park anymore. It's beautiful down here. We can just sit on that bench, watch the world go by. You're right, Natalie? See, because Natalie's wearing yellow this weekend, there's been so many wasps attracted to her.
I'm not a flower.
So there's the big, I think that's Alton Towers Manor in the distance there you can see. So the walk looks as if it's on 2 or 3 levels. You've got this level here that we're on, you get a wee level down below as you can see there, and then just down there there's a 3rd level, maybe even a 4th level that there's people on, but this is amazing. You can faintly hear some of the Alton Towers in the background, but Aye, this is really good. If you want just a wee break for the park and just come chill out. We're just going to head down to level 2 in the wee walk. Oh my god, so many bees. Hey, you be careful, they'll end up going for you.
I'm not a flower.
So there's the skyline we were on the other day where Natalie was freaking out. And what's this?
I don't know if it's cool.
What's some sort of crypt thing or something? Well, I presume stuff plays out of it sometimes. Oh, how cool is that?
I like it.
I love that. That's cool.
I think we're coming Alice in Wonderland.
It does feel a bit Alice in Wonderlandy, doesn't it? Just heading down a level again on this wee walk. This is cracking. Just come here, decompress from the theme park for a wee bit. It's cool. So there's still some more down there to the left, we'll go down in a second, but check out this. That looks so cool. This reminds me of like something for some sort of scary film, doesn't it? Like the vines on the wall are just going to come alive and grab you. I love it. You know, the wee statues up the top there are cracking too. There's some lights there, so I'm presuming this will be lit up pretty well at night. It'll look cool. Oh, the top's just vines. I thought it was going to be like a wee platform that somebody could walk on at the top, but it's not. And just at the bottom of the walk we've got this brilliant water feature. It's got the skyline just above it. Or the sky ride, sorry. How cool is that? Feels like it's raining down here, but because the wind's blowing in this direction. Just wanted to show you where the forest comes out once you walk past that water feature. Basically, you go up a lot of steps and quite a crazy walk. It brings you back out at the towers. It's just quite good because Smile's just in front of us, and to the left is Hex.